The next question says, if the price of tangerines increases, then the price of oranges also rise because A, consumers consider two good substitutes and demand for oranges increases. B, consumers consider two goods complements, and so sellers decrease the supply of oranges. C, if the supply of tangerines decreases, then the supply of oranges also must decrease. Or D, buyers must have expected a higher price for oranges and thus increase their demand for oranges. So what we're dealing with here is clearly two correlated goods. Tangerines and oranges are either substitutes or complements. And so the price of tangerines increases. What does that mean for the quantity demanded of tangerines? Price goes up, quantity demanded goes down, so we know the quantity demanded for tangerines goes down. So if we, let's take for a second assumption that tangerines and oranges, because we think they are going to be substitutes. If quantity demand for tangerines goes down, that doesn't mean people stop buying, citrus fruit. And so people will look to other citrus fruit like oranges in order to get their citrus fix, right? And so the decline in demand for tangerines is met by an increase in demand in the market for oranges, and that looks something like this. We shift to the right in demand, and lo and behold, what we have is a new equilibrium point with an increase in price. And so this fits our understanding of the context of the problem. The price of tangerines increases, the quantity demand for tangerines goes down, which shifts the demand for oranges up, which increases the price. And so this is because consumers consider two good substitutes, and the demand for oranges increases. And that's what answer A says. So that's going to be the correct answer. Let's take a look at the previous tutor's answer. Previous tutor also said A, and said both oranges and tangerines are substitute goods that complete each other's demands because they can be used in place of one another. A substitute good is one that can be used as a replacement for another good which is either unavailable or the price of that good has increased in the market. With an increase or decrease in the price of a good, the demand for its substitute good increases or decreases. Thus, the elasticity of substitutes is positive. So I think what they mean is that tutor meant that the cross price elasticity of elasticity is positive. But this is the correct answer.